Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MySQL Workbench on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Then we will connect MySQL Server, which is hosted on on-premise or cloud environments. Okay, first go to MySQL official website and download. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads. Then see here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then select the operating system. Okay, I'm on Windows. See, we have Windows MSA installer. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 43 megabytes. See, download is completed. Click on this MSA file. Click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other, you can select change and set the path. Then click on next. Setup type complete or custom. I am going to install complete. Then click on next. Ready to install, so click on install. It is straightforward installation. See, installation complete. And if you want to launch MySQL Workbench now, you have to select the checkbox and click on finish. Go to all applications. Then see here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it to open. Now click on this plus button. Here in hostname you can give on-prem hostname, or if it is hosted on AWS RDS, you have to give endpoint. So mine is local, so localhost, then port number, username, then provide the password, then provide the name for the connection. Then click on test connection. Successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK, click on OK. Then click on this connection. See, I have these databases. If you want to see the users, go to administration. Then click on users and privileges. See, these are the users. Okay. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Workbench on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10 or 11 or servers. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.